first time here, I would love for you to subscribe because this channel is all about inspiration and creativity. I got this all-purpose ink from TSC Designs, and this stuff is incredible. I have had the best time. I did some of my lace, so today I gathered up everything I could possibly get my hands on. So this is with 1 drop each and just this little bit of aloe vera. But, you know, I love stuff that's foolproof, and you can't go wrong. If you don't like something, you can just wash it out. If you really love it, heat set it right then, and then you can layer from there. That just becomes a background. So I've gone into stencil mode. This was fun. This was a piece I worked on yesterday. I'm just using these Wonder Clips because they're wonderful. And gonna hold my stencil down. I really like blending colors. Just take a little of this, a little of that. I want it marbled, I want it. That's why I kind of go around in a circle. I don't want to do every single leaf the same. And these colors are 1 drop, which I love because I don't have to, I can spend my money on other colors versus refilling. I think it'll last a long time, and it's not messy. I'm amazed. It's not. Water, it just is water soluble. It's forgiving. Don't like it, rinse it out. You can heat set as you go along. It's fun. I just wish I had more colors. But that's what I have this tile here for. You can mix colors really easy. So I have found my new favorite thing. The big reveal. And I have had the best time dyeing lace. And it is really fun to find a project that I can incorporate some of the dyed lace